Hi, thanks for joining us. What we have for you right now is a 2018 Toyota RAV4 XLE in the all-wheel drive. The odometer reading is just barely over 33,000 kilometers, and this is a one-owner vehicle that comes with a clean Carfax. It's also designated as a Toyota certified used vehicle. As part of the reconditioning and safety, it will come with new wiper inserts, a fresh oil change, and new filters. Let's take a look inside. So inside the RAV, we'll just go over a few of the features in here. You can see it does come with the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It also does have, you can see the heated steering wheel there, as well as the power lift gate, and of course your lane departure assist. You can see right on your steering wheel, you do have your toggle switches to get through your multi-informational display unit here. It does have your dynamic radar cruise control button, as well as your volume and your Bluetooth buttons here. Nice display unit. It is the home of your audio, your Bluetooth, as well as your backup camera there. It does have that dual zone climate control and comes with heated seats as well. As you can see, nice leather trim on this, but cloth seats, which are always nice. Nice clean back seat. Does come with a sunroof as well. Push button start. So we'll just take a look at the back of the RAV here. See, it does have that power lift gate in the back. And as you'll see is the case with all of our Toyotas, there is ample room in the back here. You can see it does come with that tonneau cover as well. And it does have that 60-40 split on the back seats, just to give you that flexibility and storage and seating. Hey, Northland Toyota here. Thanks for sticking with me. If you'd like to book an appointment for a test drive on this RAV or any of our new or pre-owned stock, you can call or text me at any time at 226-268-3504, or just come see me at North London Toyota at our new location at the corner of Highbury and Fanshawe Park Road. Just don't forget to ask for Troy. Thank you so much, everyone. Happy shopping. I do look forward to working with you. Thanks.